Now that the clips and the music are ready, it's time to build the final edit. For this step, we ask Claude to create one media extractor node for each video result and connect every clip to its own node. Once the nodes are created and connected, we adjust each media extractor node directly in the space, choosing the exact part of each clip we want to use. This part is manual because the final cut depends on timing, rhythm, and the story we want to tell. Once all the clips are trimmed, we create a video combiner and connect the selected clips. Then we arrange them in the desired order to build the final sequence. Finally, we connect the soundtrack and run the video combiner. And with that, the final version of Candela is ready.